कि मेरी शादी का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बेकार था।
Marriages in India are scary. What if?
Is he really interested in females or he is interested in males?
That's why we have detectives in town. Due to the ongoing trend of love marriages, private detectives in India are having their own gold rush. Distrust and their own bad experiences have compelled a lot of families to hire these private investigators.
In last 3 months, we have done more than 200 cases as a pre-wedding investigation. And when marriage season increases, pre-marriage investigation increases like anything.
What do they find? Anything from a person's habits to routine and even darker secrets. According to Akriti Khatri, who is the founder of Delhi-based Venus Detective Agency, sexual orientation is a new concern among families these days.
This groom is straight or not? So is he really interested in females or he is interested in males? This is a new thing which is coming up. So this is on the third priority. And rest small thing, nature, behavior, habits, all these.
Take the example of Sheila. We can't reveal the person's real name. She had a bad marriage of her own. And when her daughter told her that she wants to marry a boy she fell in love with at her office, Sheila decided to do some homework of her own.
Some of my friend circles telling me कि आजकल ये डिटेक्टिव्स जो हैं काफ़ी हेल्प करते हैं इसके लिए, क्योंकि मेरी शादी का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बेकार था, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि अगर शादी करनी है तो अच्छे से चेक कर लेना चाहिए बैकग्राउंड.
In an interview with AFP, private investigators based in New Delhi, India, said that their work is like a service to society. At times, they find information that could make or break a marriage. Bhavna Paliwal, a detective who runs her office from a mall in Delhi, founded her agency more than 2 decades ago. Listen into what she has to say.
निकलते हैं तो कई बार शॉकिंग भी होते हैं, बट इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निकलता रहता है तो लोग इसलिए प्रेफर करते हैं प्री मैरिज को. तो इस तरह के केस आते रहते हैं हमारे वहाँ.
Hiring a private detective in India could cost anywhere from rupees 8,500 to even 1,70,000 rupees. For Indian families who at times spend crores on weddings, this is a fairly small investment. These detectives use high-tech spying devices during their investigations, some of which would make you question the very notion of privacy. They include spy cameras installed in mosquito-repellent devices and even your shirt's buttons, GPS car trackers, and they even have their own application with a database where all the information is uploaded. Sanjay Singh, another private detective based out of Delhi, says that his team navigates through the thin line between legal and illegal on a regular basis. Extra security in housing societies and high-rise buildings sometimes means that detectives have to rely on fake stories to get access.
We are sitting on the edge of the legal and illegal, and we have to decide as per the law what is legal, what is not legal. So it is very important, like you should know the law of the land. So if somebody is asking to get phone tap or something, phone information or something, so we know like it is not legal, we don't do that.
As detectives, these individuals at times have the power and intelligence to break a relationship. People who are already romantically involved and looking to get married also hire their services. Or what if a wife suspects that her husband is committing adultery? Is there a sense of guilt in them when their investigation leads to a schism in their client's relationship?
कई बार कुछ ऐसे रिपोर्ट्स आती हैं जब हमारे रिजल्ट्स निकलते हैं नेगेटिव, तो उनको नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट देते हुए हमें थोड़ा सा दुख तो होता है, स्पेशली जब पोस्ट मैरिज में कुछ निकलता है, क्योंकि वो मैटर बहुत ही ज़्यादा सीरियस हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो एक बहुत अटैच्ड रिलेशन होता है.
Paliwal's Delhi office, which is located inside a mall, has a board outside which says astrologer. She says this is because sometimes their clients don't want people to know that they're visiting a private eye. But in a society like India, where the institution of marriage carries so much societal importance, these private eyes have become a taboo yet necessary part of our society. No one would like to be tailed by them, but when you need them yourself, you realize their importance.
कोई गलत रिपोर्ट आती है तो उसको थोड़ा सोचना, और थोड़ा उसमें कई बार हम भी हर्ट होते हैं उसमें, यार इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स है, कैसे फेस करेगा ये सामने वाला.